cabasis who are better as and just to clarify, and yes, Amnesty now yes sign.
Petition, yes, sign call ye no near what the affair
a walk court no a parliament or more debate no Martina had 10 years no bet me agent cratan and yet none that ye can wasem sa amnesty no omu enya make a decision ever home into amnesty be a my na aim there are other things
like amnesty
about and also a good news and many pan baby na so busa me fa asylum ho enti me ka abisi asylum benefit ya ewo ho no asylum no ene se obi abakrum ha na osuro ese okoni krom a ebia yebeku no ana se yebe attack no ana se omu ebe which say ontiment na omanimu in peace and because of that no I can't share mine now what be say United Kingdom say would me come back to a country me free so bad one shot I'll be attacked, I'll be killed, or I'll be alienated from the community, or I'll be stigmatized. And I say man for whom you don't be no mommy in feel comfortable ever on my anymore. So I'm scared or I fear for my life to go back to a mine Ghana me free so buy and into for convention reasons, momentina a chrome has said. Now, a bina shame said the okay, would you sue immigration word say screening and to call for screening interview first and a full interview second one. Now, a bina ashim and I think a same for ashim efforts and who say, as summer walkana, I no credit, said Oko Ukruma. Assemble it is assemble dear any yama won crata and crumpa. Na ABI am 5 years now the teha. After 5 years no na omo ama indefinite and I said ye cannot afibono na with the team. Now in prep the hard journey say omo a secure asylum no a cheapans na home office and make a decision.
Good.
A cheaper and Tina so can say you don't go guinea papiano.
Guinea papiano sometimes says Hannah Mamma de buy.
Because asylum decision one of the cases here almost cheaper it may take you over 1, 2, 3 years when everyone more make a decision.
Say you're free.
And see any panel I say the person is in limbo or who's all kunim and now all kunechi and then crata them and so on to me and yeshe a little support to be kakranka krebi obenye free abine hodno normally a kind of subsistence support no and nona omode mano saade na entime nye eni ade papa bia emma abine pano and into asylum seekers eye enkofo bia eya na omu struggle pa omu and etibiem oman UK ne eya na hard in Ghana and maybe a trim. Even now we got quite a lot of people Omakrimu asylum and as Mosiki asylum so now you make a decision and it's all so we make krimu asylum other political reason and now say ABR said they now work sexual orientation ABR that's why gay and a lesbian and I said the person have been trafficked. And he said, Nipani are trafficking Abercrombie. Ebia said, the connection by a being a denebaha. And he or the neighbor said, or the neighbor a marriage and answer sex trade and answer false labor. And to say any panel or come back here. Connection mine and I say, more trafficking a bar has said, no, or meet me attacking. Trafficking is very common in our community. Obi hon ma ko fa kra ba ha say ese ninu and wo fa se a oba obehia wo so bebre enti say nipa no o ma wo ahoto enti wo ko back nso fie a obeka ko kan semboni a kire fie say nipa we what to say enti wo ko fie kra na you no feel comfortable to be in your country that you are coming from and enti no say nipa no ohun say okofie na wo ha beto na no so akrimu asylum enti obi onso a na yesi omedi hene ana se omedi ohema ana se akom ebeba ne so
akom
enti se obi de enso no se ne mami and papa na akom and I say no I also take you over into no religion and man the kwan ese obe indulge him or herself in those kind of religion. And there are quite a lot of reasons why people will claim asylum. But say the name no Ghana and yana asylum, yana ukrimo, yana eating, see at the Bema. I'm not saying see and farm money, and there are quite a few people they give it to. Of course, when it comes to sexual orientation,
sexual orientation,
sexual orientation, say ABL or gay or lesbian or bisexual, woman the success rate and as a prospect of success high, other areas no as a ABL. But they are all reasons because everybody has a reason. And some of the reasons now are very genuine. Just the penny being free say, oh, Ghana is a peaceful country.
A peaceful country.
But Ghana is a peaceful country, yet people are still being killed, for one way or other. And then so what strong evidence or reason to claim asylum, I'll be to me claim asylum. Now, Oma claim asylum no every the sad part in say, I feel over a year.
Now until Monka.
2 years and 2 monka, 3 years. I mean, I have asylum claim with been crowd 3 years at that one yes. The unti or be crown witchcraft. Yes, your bonus or your bayful.
And your catch also your bayful, so
also who call ma, you very tackle. There are quite a lot of reasons why people will claim asylum. Then the pay one name or mine ma on your juma on your shame. Now, you who say COVID by or how cacrabeto NHS. How cacrabeto social care service. Now, a day. Or how a binding crana is struggle to cope with it. And I was it all kind of say you for no mutaba de bia ever boa or minor the care industry. And say, oh, want me a maybe. And a binding who say a quite bear so any bit to me ama care care industry no and I say social care industry no you bit to me a support to me support to adult population now here the service no and into no abano e and policy kakra bia beto ho no yedi can nurse for ho asem enti me shadan
can and the nurse for na ekoye wo kurom ya na edide
yeah enti me nko nurse for no so but make omuye normal care assistant care assistants no ehun asem healthcare ne all those categories no healthcare assistant jobs no it was not part of the shortage occupation list Inti say wokope visa no and also wokope the normally can tier 2 say skilled visa na and I'm say healthcare enka honinti no assistant care assistant job enka honinti no wunya kora na untimi nya say adwuma no yeah now there is policy a ewo hodada for asylum seekers now it's been there for quite a while. Says, "Oh, yeah, asylum seeker. Maybe after 12 months, no. A bino and classification for a key decision now. Bit me apply for work permit.
Good.
Now, clients will be those days. Na me yema, but oh yeah, mama, me find because when your work permit no, a juma will be to me this work permit na it must fall under shortage occupation list. Now, how many asylum seekers and no more skills obey me? I a doctor Juma, and I said obey me. I engineering Juma, and I said obey me. I any kind of job. And how many asylum seekers and no more that qualification into what just work permit now? And for so be maso. Now. On the 12th January last week,
on the 12th January,
and Abine and Ansoi
12th January,
so from February, which is next month, what the healthcare assistant job, Abeka shortage occupation list. And then Tino say, we obia or asylum seeker, what claim asylum, now you make a decision. No application pending for over 12 months in Econo, and you know, Munina no. Me apply to get work permits and then apply for care work in this area. Enti obia oye asylum seeker sa afi na odi kotuma na odi atum ye ma wo decision no obetimi apply for work permit. We work permit na adwuma bi a yeke industry bia ka industry adwuma bi a wo bia no obetimi ayebi. You don't need a permission from anyone. Because omu kremu asylum ya na yemu ACK card. Enti sa ACK card no no ya the ma wo na say the common employer no or log in check employment check you say you are allowed to work. And into no say a better ho no mo no such a kind no clients ya wo your list so kakra wo mu akremu asylum wo master here from tomorrow urban wo mu nyina no air price so bet me the important thing we need to note is earlier on I was having discussions with you in the care industry. You see social care industry at the moment we got about 110 vacancies available. And it is anticipated, say, by the year 2035, they need over 520,000 people. 520,000 people to fill these vacancies by the year 2030. So, even though the government at the moment has opened it for 12 months, but I can tell you, say, it's possible they will extend it. Because I don't think they can fill the whole vacancies at the moment. And if they are anticipating, say, by 2035, they need at least over 520 people to work in this industry, then it's going to take them a while to recruit all these people. And internet is very important. I say, a care, we are asylum seeker. Now, you make a decision, and our case no appeal, it has not been concluded yet. You know, come and see us or go and see your lawyer who understands this, and then put in application to get work permit for you, so you can start working instead of your own hanging around that. Make asylums now, of course, when you say you can't care, when you can't, or more foreign national, yes, you don't be a once in the but not important. So, would you every Ghana, maybe a winning crater. Now, person working in the care industry, you know, go online, look for care industries that have sponsorship lances. And so when you have sponsorship lances now, you can say, it means so every Ghana, Abaha. So we are a employer, you work care in company, or Chroma. Now you are looking, say, open lawyer, or bet me abuamoenya or lances, a sponsorship lances here, obet me recruiting foreign national to come and work as well. You know, come and see mascot solicitors. We have set up a complete department dealing with all tier 2 visas, sponsorship lances. A complete department, very well resourceful department. They are not doing any other immigration work or any other legal work. Said apply for sponsorship lances. I'm employers. At the moment, as I told you, we got quite a few companies here dealing with that. Those foreign nationals coming to work in the care industries. The companies also allow us to visas applications. And so whether you are employer or you are employee, you can speak to mascot solicitors. Na emwabia a bit media book here, the Beboamo. The America actual so be say, the Woodsy, answer Nabusami, make out to be so Woodsy, with my child. Mascot solicitors, you need a Juma for carers. And see, offer me and yes, be as a lawyer, with my child, a Juma for carers. And I've got quite a lot of inquiries about that. I'm a very frank person, and I always want to stick to what I know and what I have control over it. Mini company, meet my culture, say, coho, nekoye juma. My work is a offer me when you're jumana or perseme visa application, I can do it. But I employer and so now pay a lawyer with me, I prepare application within a shortest time. I'm on resources.
Shortest time.
We can do it for you. Thank you.
Lawyer meda asemeda wo bibiara ase de lawyer kan ye no me didi samati ase bebre but mami eko ewa ha say emfa nkyere wo bibiara wotie me ene day eye good news and a great opportunity the entia make say amnesty ahana maame no e de afa no lawyer wo kasa no wo kan bibi say tie for montie me ye mo ma ba masum na montie me ye wonim wo bi a wati kuromi ha enkrata asemo aye ne din a ka kire ne say ene wo mra meti abonus campaign aha your undiluted immigration headquarters the whole world aha na biase nyina do mani kire obi wo baabi biara no pese oba abru kire na wo pe update of ekuro ne so nyoma aha ya eno mu nyina etie eye program ni ewa ha eno nti anope wa kan ye ho amema wakwaba e de ba abonus campaign out TV eso ene anope na mo tie me wo busuani bi e wo United Kingdom na busuani no eni nkrata what kuromi ha oduobi pen ene kwa adwuma ba me ka pen na mo beti ase oduobi mpaboa ena ekọ ena ode ba me pacho kata ne say the opportunity has come ye nyina na ye twen amnesty no maame no ne papa no prime minister say amnesty na no ode ama ye 20 years no wa beka eno de ode ama ye was 20 years no eye amnesty na we ya maame ne de aba no me hu ne say amnesty no mo de afa ha no enti me amnesty ni eno no mo de afa ade we say ase no lawyer kasa no o say se wodi aduro e wo ye kuromi ha obi kura de take lawyer 7 years yentine wonti home office for nka 7 years na home office for manisiko omo man oni ho kwan so ye adwuma because omo nyina die aduro no entumu ansan na wo mo begie aduro na tuma na wo be ma wusika ye wo sika bi edema wo mo ye wo baabi e ma wo tena ye be ma wo baabi atena ebi wo ye se ama 2 years se fa kwa ye adwuma na eno no wa ko screening interview ni nyina awie ansa wo ma je wo aduro na tumu no e ma wo maka kire wo se tena ha ye ma wo sika ama mo de adidi na wa ya application dem 2 years 3 years 4 years na wonte wo monka wo be na didi wo be ye dan didi wo be ye dan tua wo dan ka obi o was a lawyer makodi aduro sister abuna me di aduro 7 years menti home office for nka wonni mani gi aba me mabna mu ano pen obi o wa okodi aduro na ne afeli no yes wo boa omutimi hwe nipa na nim so you are lying omuti home office ho no omo ye mu interview no wo ka se wo ye lesbian na omo be kwa akofo bi o ye lesbian na abetena wo interview but you don't know enti wo kasa wo no hwe wonim se wo boa wo kasa wo ye gay a nipa na wo ni ye screening interview no obi ye gay me kai guy bi wakoto moku ma moku ko interview se anti abana me photo ni video no gina home office and am so we do de be ma wa share we go se nipa hwe me enso onye gay o Wasi anti abana nipa hwe enwofo hwe me nam tinti wo de wig no ni moku no sa na anti free baby atiko home office osi mi share coat me duru ho na makodresse lawyer wenye gay ba wakoto ni wig akeka na no kama entimi agira high heel so every hakini atena tre mu sa ade akoduru Croydon home office me kwanu mu say de be ma no pa because lawyer de waye ni nyina no o se gay
yeah
oso what wo kasa na ma ayi papa no abusa no frɛ be so he so he e ho na gay fo ni nyina akohia akoye disco enti se wo ye gay a wa dress she wig enti se akofa wig mu aduro nyina atu se wo ma me dia na wo fa she yi o akofa ma moku ahye ye busa wo se ehe na mo committee a efin wonim so ha is it so how baby ye bobo di kire na efin no na wo kɔ interview na o mo record em enti wo lawyer ebetimi a request me bo lawyer wo lawyer betimi a request asɛm a wo kɔ kaaye no obetimi a request e wo ho na nye wo lawyer na eba betichu ebe betreni wo say ko hye wig ko ne ko hye wig ono do abeka tell say wo ye lesbian wo ye gay lesbian proper de mo ni problem gay die wo screening e high e very high enti no wo mutimi gina wo no maka kire wo say ko mo beti enka obi wo ho a 2 years na wonte wo monka because munim say wo boa but obi o ye genuine gay no okọ omo ne kasa obi okra say interview na timi take 2 hours 2 hours interview. And you just 5 minutes interview, say 5 minutes, you could be a question, it be take you 2 hours. Shortest, 1 hour book. 1 hour a book. And to walk around, what you are frustrated. What frustrating life? Over here, all 2 hours interview. No matter catch us over to a monkana to a monkania. Now, when a lawyer can was a Miss Pretty Patel say, lawyer, me question in here, or say no, ye do I draw to more. See any wardrobe to more. Ye do I draw to more, see any wardrobe into more. I say na lawyer was submit to application, ye any wardrobe to more. Miss Pretty Patel say, who are home quite say, we ye do our health care. We were home quite say a man working permit. Now the Koyajuma. Lawyer. Or more antenna or more application wo fikesi mu dada no na ye ma wo mu working permit e the years bi ato ho say bia wa wo de wo 3 years wa wo de wo 2 years na ye ma wo working permit ana say ene ya me fa ne say ene Isaac yebo a abekromi ha Isaac say me ye gay Isaac say ye pemi me kromo ye pemekumi Isaac say makodi di otumfo atem makodi the president atem and the social media makoyo bibibi eti my life is at risk as risk mo pe be bi fami sie and the ya Isaac be die dura ono so wo ho kwan say wo je working permit ni bi ana ye wo old timers for mo application them 10 years 2 years asem ye kana
okay me da say answer na me answer honum no for muti nyina ame enka na me remind amafobia se uti sa program we na se obi ebeka se ono so ye program na se one mascot solicitors na se wa affiliate to abna skin pay outreach force so your name you ba kon ne mascot solicitors skin pay outreach program on Tuesday is only mascot solicitors platform on Basso. Of course, Friday lawyer PK also come on this program on Fridays. So for my knowledge, skin pay outreach at the moment is linked to 2 lawyers, mascot solicitors on Tuesdays and Friday lawyer PK. So Obi because we are affiliated to this programmer. My child, Mamo enko obi enko can story be echna say me call lawyer be metie program or say and obi refer me to lawyer be and if you are just can I say normal or can you know be a needy air can hear a boy bra every day me back program with so I am me very careful, very conscious. Na ya na me pese amanfo ehu de ye na ehu say nya agro ni yedi and I say na sembi ni yeto ewa hase. We are very serious in the program and we are trying to educate the community so that obi emebubumu emfaso. A time has come, say Ghana, we go for right source of information. Go for a lawyer you can verify, you know, a solicitor you can verify. Google meeting Frank Nyama, you can see everything about me. And he said, Odi wajuma kobe because obiba mhoen ran. I need to reiterate this. And so when you have different information and kobe before and actually, you know, oba or didi ma me check na and someone who efa ho krano ne re ehoye efa say any pano. And into no the major woman say if you come to this program and you are sharing and the person is not mascot solicitors on Tuesday with the ladies can pay outreach, don't bother, you know, delete that person from your contact. Of course, you are entitled to go to different programs and watch their videos and join them, their outreach program. But what I don't want to associate myself with is a company that I don't know, or it's a program that I don't know. And it's may work different platforms. You know. And so be framing, I mean, you say offer me free skin pay outreach. And as a client, I mean, you might delete directly, and maybe more refer clients We want to build a very clean corporate image for the business and for Ghana community. Many times the TSO Ghana lawyers say, no, Ghana lawyers are clean. I always say to you, we are Ghana and now about Ghana lawyer and I wouldn't to make a mistake or to language and I say, or bit my diagnose issue here in your own language, no about the solution. So don't let's lose faith in our community lawyers, but let us also identify the ones that are not helping, yen cleaning woman now bit me yen support yen build a good name for our country, our community, and everybody within the community. And I must say some more they are supporting me. The American question I will say, it's very important you ask this question. It's a would see any policy no say Obia our claim asylum over 1 year.
Come back to the track. Lawyer I advise you to say question na me busa ye no say obi afei na nipa na wura kromi ha Isaac Yeboah for instance afei na Isaac wura kromi ha na Isaac aba na Isaac say me kromo hene pemache me yesi me media de yesi me meye konfo ya makodi de obi atem enti ye peme ache me na ane ya Isaac be kroma no de ne ho koma wo mo se me di aduru Isaac nso so wo kwan say ye man working permit ni bi anasa working permit ni ye wo mo a wo ma di aduru na edam for maybe 10 years 2 years 1 year no eno omo mienu nyina e entitled anasa omo de specific people be and omo de ma wo mo ana eno na lawyer e chire mu.
Okay, and said the question ladies can pay beside policy is very clear on this. Almost say wow claim asylum.
Wow claim asylum.
We make a decision what efficacy for the last 12 months. And so mona apply for. But yesterday name meeting I took a decision and said they are desperate for clients because I remember some years ago, I think around 2014-15, my application Emma Asylum seeker na a demo just about 2 months. And
2 months a pay.
Yeah, and our client in back actually me say when ya ejuma bia almost say or work permit ya or memano ejuma. And can I apply for work permit as asylum seeker? And that was 2015, 14, 15. That 2 months them with the application at 2 more demand. So once I know the policy is saying 12 months, now I always want to make things clear to the client. And I believe so all clients come to me and they know my stand or the way I advise clients. I will advise you on the policy, what I know in relation to the policy now. I'll say 12 months. But ABR, when you're a Juma or community name, Juma, now we're cremas, I will be at the 2 months. There's nothing wrong to try because they are desperate for care workers. And so when you're a Juma care home be corner, and the beauty of this is that the care home doesn't need to have sponsorship plans. So we are Asylum seeker.
So we are Asylum seeker. Yeah. Now we're crew idea.
They don't need sponsorship.
And when it's straight.
And it's all kinds of care companies say we are Asylum seeker now here Juma. That's a care and so more Juma. We can put a plate to them and say, this is a person's situation. You got this offer. Please issue work permit. Luckily, possibly, they will grant it. So whatever your situation is, once your asylum claim is in the Mekasa, but of course, the policy is
12 months.
And media being for a client to be a asylum and say they are just within 1 month.
Application. Lawyer, when you were 2 months.
We just hoping say they possibly will be granted. And see, once you put asylum claim in, please talk to your lawyer. Or come if you don't have a lawyer closer to you, come to Mascot Solicitors. Yeah, but boy, I will take you through all the guidance. A bit me and fast or abro.
Me the lawyer I say me patcho would see me. Na be a would kromi has saying. Would travel near, would nim toma, would done near, would nim pabwa. What did the person me catch on us say? Walk qua or bar 1 dear, and no castle castle music coming also. and tomakura no saying what she a bear now will call you bear man of 1 day. What you say? No Casocas be boom. And Tomani Dawson tomorrow, but you seem to our better dear Mamuku, a Dawson. What's the key asylum? Obey Juma. Obey Juma, boy, Jumana, every time on make his decision. No more castle, no fan asylum, no more fan crack animal war. When you see Kubu, you move no media man, my woman natural more. Where could I want to work in permit in my woman, Cassie and fan crack animal? Oh, the mount. Tifaho, a quantity suye, a dem. Much of them best I catch them on a dem. Masco solicitors or more numbers a Google screen is to be brave. Oh, fellow, ya Franca, only here with God all things are possible. So we be dear dra and non chess what in a cruma 20 years, my dear Drew. And the ya wolf would see me now, Ghana, teame. Who free Ghana, SC airport to one ano. Saland yourself. Who bet me a dear Drew airport to one. Who bet me a dear Drew, who Ghana now over, and not in a lawyer number was so, whoop, whoopia for a lawyer. Who free to come a PSC abontia, you hit through a PSC abontia, lawyer me condition in the situation ye. Say na metie, seek legal advice first. A dear Drew, and your one was a water demo na church will be show. Et a ma woman acquire British passport a mameba. Ma woman create 2.5 years me could be a mameba. Easy. Ubeti me at madam no ye. But to seek asylum no, ye were no yes, sir. Or more yes, specialist for asylum. And tia dear Drew, no yes, about 132 trim, no what creative. Okay, mammy, one lawyer trust in come on. Man be friend me was when you stroke. Na when you stroke, na you stroke na when you know. Was sign or no man is woman echo. Was any bra no de me number man no neka. So no bra na bodam. Ba me ne kasa no more damo. Or so when you stroke, through stroke ni mo no, almost wa bodam. Enti se ni stroke ni dem se na ye mal stroke. Na ontimi enkasa ye ena ne nsa ba se nyame adom enyo move on. But wa bodam. Ba me ne kasa no mo dam. Ena busa se wan se wa bodam o se me bra o de me number ma o se e ma me se me fra bena skin pain. Na me so te he o se me te pekam. O se me bra ne se ma bodam. Ena me so wo mo dam. Ena o se de bia wo me report ne so. Enti me say no onya mental problem but me say wa akọ ebia se wo adru nso a ofa dia because me catch say on catch ne brother ne so won frɛ me enti me say o se owo ho no ɛna ne ye mani social worker adult social worker ne de ne ma lawyer ɛna o mama ne di aduro wa di aduro government lawyer na di aduro na busa ne say wo di aduro sesɛ ɛna o se ni kuro mu hɔ ye kunkum kɔfo hɔ ye kunkum ahemfo no so ahenie na duru ne so ena yeso wo medi ade no no so wo mpa adedie no ena me wode ba kurom ha enti eno kra na ama na bodam no eno na afa ne tirim ama na bodam which is nko wo case or very beautiful case say ye me lawyers yi dia lawyer Frank enimu dia obi abedi ade no afa so abodam dia you have a stand wo case na emamu no ye de na kɔ interview ye didn't quite almost one for proof. A chess and chromo ye kunkum go for. Any proof a chess say, empo a hindian now walk and walk sa a kinship no. And to us, remaining prove a man. Let me say, hey, bra, and your friend, I'm saying, Matthias, yes, I'm saying, I didn't want it. Because many know the free chromo. May I never confirm proof it. Or say, lawyer, say for example, newspaper. I'm saying newspaper. Say, or see newspaper. Say, ebia ye can see ye kunkum kofo ukromono. Ebia bagana newspaper mu. And I say, and I say no. I want to talk to brother no because we ye yare for na said wa bodamo so they. I think say dear Drew no ekra no they have to know say we ye genuine dear Drew. The evidence be mu no mo pe. Eno nti mesramo wo di adura seek legal advice first ansa na wo de wa nokora wakotana enkofo nanim aka kire mo se me be di aduro me this ansa ana wa ye yi okay lawyer me pacho wo kasa ni mu no man te se wo bo book din se wo kwa akopa adwuma also bo almost se fa ID bra enti just to work
good question
ID working permit ne so there no ID attached on it a paper keke ne de amount and na e bi kura ye ma wo plastic card ye nkofo de ye adwuma yi bi enti no just paper keke no is there any ID because working for no omo ma di aduro no omo kura book bi te say British passport and obi di bi be shame me
British passport I know ye woman omo ya grant omo book no but obia obi krimu asylum bia no se na o krimu obi call screen no ye will be say AC card
card
it's a biometric card yeah a biometric card na the same thing ye dey ma wo mo
okay for photo be boso
photo bia was
AC card
yeah every asylum seeker bia no e was a card ni bi card and then it's equivalent to the biometric
not just a lawyer would adrone ya gia to mo ye njin to mo ye be ma
yeah wonya esika asylum card ya ye be ma asa
card
yeah okay. ARC and so mo be ma omuma we no no details nti make us and make access our compare juma na what the card no and a work permit no say employer na ye employers check here obo details bibia na obehu say you've been allowed to work because the card is similar to biometric card. Asylum seeker there you know you are not allowed to have even your country passport. Yeah, because you are saying that omano usro se obeko okwa ye behaw. Enti woni omani etwam. Answer untimi nko omani subiem onto say bia be British citizen and e bia wokọ as a British.
Enti ebe mo British passport ana.
First they will give you
a card.
A card in your beginning whether say qualify and I make a decision positive on your case or negative you still have the I card but I keep positive decision here because you are asylum na and convention book no book na it look like this and no
yeah also great Great Britain and Ireland
to which only actually travel document shall say and only say UK and I will create asylum no
Obi wo adwuma obi an secret asylum ane de aba ka da beba fa bi bre me
and the na ba o de mark client
e ba ya na de na de ama no
it's no to me the two kind Europe and any other part of country apart from home country say no na de beko and yet British book travel document
then on your ma indefinite straight away and I say
yeah ma 5 years and after 5 years no kwaje another indefinite na
and 5 years so be kwaje after 5 years so be indefinite till after 5 years so kwaje British book straight away
yeah the call for indefinite and indefinite and ukrimo asylum no near grant mawa you have to apply for travel documents or person to kwanya into
how
say ukrimo near the mawa so
I see a my passport to me no
asylum ye grant here at the mawa so ye mawo refugee status enti wo card no e ho na nye adwuma biom say important enti ye mawo sa
refugee status na
ebia wo pese wo tu kwan ebia wo dwuma o require passport enti no wo the application betum say wonya travel document here yama travel document enka o letter na
refugee status ne ho
say we refugees no mo the book we no enso aka ho so with me and I will travel document not only refugee can say people with refugee status and I apply for travel document obi o ho no ma na the country no o mu ni embassy e wo krom ha
okay
yeah enti grant would be a 2.5 but only passport and I one business anyhow and at the time I will your application untimi enko okrum ho no
enko passport
and your grant you would me apply for travel document maybe on 1 year for it to enable you to go to your home country
nekoye no ho bra
nekoye your passport
okay
bra obi onso a na ne krom you know embassy no and our consulate no ebia omu obi ewo other part of Europe but omu ni bi wo UK into a grant so 2.5 no any asylum it's just normal family visa live to me the amount would me apply for a travel document near more be 1 year to enable you to go to any part of the world where you can apply for your home country passport. And see, after 1 year, no, it become invalid because so won't mean you need to
apply it again.
No, provide reason why you could not. Yes. Now the reason is a tangible reason, and then you can apply again. So travel document is therefore open to everybody who don't have access to his or her home country passport.
Okay.
But the reason Tiana Asylum for 1 year they can be bringing so we a Jew book no.
So if Corona was so no, yeah, my book. Not just a bundle of you.
Until say Wabla
British. Okay, lawyer me Pacho VG said, did Asylum seekers people pay for the application? Home office.
With home office fee, you don't pay for home office fee for asylum seekers when you're applying for asylum. What it is, there are some firms that provide legal aid.
Phone license too.
Yeah, and see, say maybe I would need to for commercial law firm. Obey me, I look for legal aid firm. Woman, Eddie, Omunji, Ewusika. Then they can put in application for you. So it depends on your circumstances.
I will legal aid.
I don't do legal aid.
You don't do legal aid.
I don't want to do legal aid.
Yes, yes. Legal aid.
I've told you. I'm enjoying the time I was doing the training. When I encountered legal aid, I decided not to get myself involved in legal aid work.
You may that say at here for me patrobe to me a friend me number no entum na me ba ansa na no Solomon ewo YouTube or say good morning sister Bna watching you live from Ghana Tema please lawyer Frank's number please me patro munko YouTube Pearl sweetie ko YouTube na me patro fa lawyer Frank number eto and the screen is on Mascot solicitors and that so no me patro almost 17 1 Electric Avenue.
Suite 63. We have to move to 63.
Mamu buko say bigger 63. Udru 17 okra be mo. Enfield Middlesex EN3 7XU and na omoya family law, migration, asylum, litigation, nationality, litigation, wills and probate omoya a lot. Ewo eho omo number ena ewo so no lawyer me hu sem for kase Ghana omo frɛ wo Ghana for no omo frɛ wo e machine enti me so betimi apɛ wo bi especially ewo mo ho no for Ghana for say Ghana for no efra ebi a hoza ponko a nenka eno so no enkebe boa me pa cho wada woroma wo betimi aye bibi sa wo se me kra na mo be famia enka will be very happy mo famia nenka hoza ponko a what I say bo so me de hia ne se be ma me kakra me fa ama ko Ghana no so omo so no ehia momo a o say Maya o say I did a short course for a year in social work, but I haven't worked with it yet. Can I still come and get a sponsor on your Juma?
It depends on the employer. So until employer and any criteria of it, I can't say you need to have work experience. You need to do this. Until contact the employer, now be a requirement, and I'll call website to have some requirement for recruitment. Okay, Prince Ajemai, a YouTuber said the only good thing about the travel documents is that you can travel to most of the Europe countries visa. Europe country without visa.
Europe country without visa. Germany, Switzerland, and the rest. Maybe also please, Lady Skimping and Lawyer Frank. What about foreign national offenders who have reporting conditions, please?
Foreign national. Please, what about foreign national offenders who have reporting conditions? So if you are a foreign national offender, if you are now committed crime, and that's offense be, and you can say chain boning crata and no report. So all report na uncrimo asalama. So all report no crimo asalama is different, but so uncrimo asalama you will not qualify for this route of visa. Yo,
bra kweku was sister Abena, you are talking about Lawyer Frank. You too. Your phone number is always on answering machine. Your number is 0.
Yeah, I think what all of us need to understand is that what friend patch on And at the Biamica saying a yabo today, Juma. What friend Kofi Frere, Kwame Frere, or be a friend to a crash. It's not so. I mean, yet I won't say on some for Friday, Frere, be names here programming. And so all Frere on Tiasia. Obey, you know. How many hours we have in the day? Obey time about drive another 1.5 hour. Maybe do office already. The material bookings out to what that. And I have to look after more air train. At the same time, I have deadlines. I have about 9 lawyers I supervise on daily basis. So anything I make, I say more obian from a personal life. Now I stick it to the rules, because as an actor, all from me directly.
But lawyer me pacho Ghana the any day. Ghana for no. Kabenya is a lawyer Oscar Ketchi meboa. Oscar Ketchi. Yeah. Obenya lawyer be or Ketchi wo. Meaning say India for abro for but Abenya lawyer be or Ketchi. Nenka no afa Ghana for ne hono. Amani okay. Numbers near 00447502422799. All the numbers ne was ubetimi afre busa customer. Opeso busa lawyer. Emfa enem koma ye die ne ho kra na me pacho. Ubetimi afre any question bia wo fra me modin. Ubetimi afre wo hosa ubetimi afre normal call. All the numbers no at the screen so etimi pacho ubetimi afre na wo busa lawyer. Hello, good morning, me for me pacho yen come modin. Yes, darling, sweetie yenko.
Good morning.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Me pacho me wo question me and some person busa lawyer.
And your bonnet tough for me me for them for so.
First one, me pacho me person busa lawyer say. Na me so obi ni mama fike table for ten na e kind of thing. Me do obo dem ko 1.5 years.
Eish.
The PA na me die grow 2 years and your mama me
Mama.
And why ye koyebi.
Secondly, na sister ukoye care no so because of so ko dem no be man get so criminal record
check.
Okay, no me yo year mo fa because of
DBS check.
You know me no put the thing.
DBS check. Me pacho person ba program.
And only first
Me pacho person ba program so.
Second one so yeah.
Yeah.
No me nurse or Ghana and document in our hand.
Okay.
You mean say it na se me ama.
Me pacho.
Yeah, me pacho ka book appointment here. So oba you know we go to Asylum with a care.
Last one me pacho me say me Ghana passport no so ayira.
So where do you draw there?
So would you draw near my AC card?
Me pacho lawyer so would you draw near my card? Into a mama washi.
Until you come to onset been a year can Asylum no chepa. We
2 years.
just even screening when you move into the main
good news.
So the book in a bra office near who can ever fast.
Why me pacho lawyer say book your appointment in a bra. Hello, me da for me pacho yen come modin. Me pacho me pacho jina soma me pacho me sremo numbers na ye 3. Me pacho yen come do for.
Hello, me pacho me chiamo so. Na me be na okoko ye settlement status ni. Na omuve aproviama no ma friend no interview. Na me bisa say possible say we settlement status na be tumi afre interview da. Na di kan so na ya ade no di kan ni krom ha no.
Oh, that's possible. Not just our
the Home Office has right. Can you choose to me as at any stage beyond it me afraid for interview. And say last week and make catch us even minimum lawyer me a juma. Or no lawyer be in a juma brem or no crying crater.
Obi oya lawyer ni mo di na juma lawyer.
Yeah, so what's no crum check. And in Kratza BBI okay, and so I'll call renew the passport and a British passport. Your friend say online interview. Are you dealing with it? And you know, and yet so easy say be able to make us say, oh, and I'm saying my Jane and Kratza, and you know, ain't me friend. It's me afro what I be no one who baby. And at last, before you ever cook Christmas, I say, you're careful because in your kuta indefinite near the Adina and so on. Yeah, na ebi omohu bibi. Enti se who co renew and also 5 years na no lawyer and kasanamon planning ahead. Say anything be a possibility bit me.
Enti lawyer we was say nipa kro no ni ha. Threat ne kaba. Nipa kro no woni henti afre ni interview.
The whole situation is say offer officer. So meet me no wadi hu enkomo.
Sister me pacho was frɛ office no ni woni nkomo why? Hello me do for me pacho yenko wa was no yenko. Hello me pacho me tie wo. What's up?
So people say, can one change to 5-year route if they are taking care of their child who is a British citizen? Yes, so we were British child. Now we make the application under parent route. I always tell my clients, you don't need to stay there for 10 years. You can switch to 5-year route.
You can me pamucho me say me fana me kasa monte. Hello? Yo, also sister bena me kasa me say, hello me do for pa me pacho yenko. Me pacho ti me nka, sweetie.
Pacho, I me tonka.
Me pacho yenko, loyalty.
Sir Obi, I call private nursing training in Ghana. Still, obetini I apply for care and
care job is open to Obia wouldn't
certificate.
And I wouldn't care Juma why you be that a certificate to be beyond only employer no ekasa. And I'll share employer and a requirement. That's employer and say you fit in. Yes, then
obetimi. It's me pacho obetimi. Why?
But pacho, my second question. So what's your IELTS no band 5 and also ubetimi you see ana
right omo credit diploma a credit degree no omo no natural IELTS no
yes yen can nursing for no asem nursing for say
nursing for the
you can say IELTS
no but nipa no kra band 5
me pacho obetimi care for the no mo so omo nkoye B1
okay
why
yo me da
B1 na omo kwakoye hello me do for pa me pacho good morning loyalty me pacho hello me pacho yetio me do for
hello
yes darling sweetie meet you
what you got some way about certificate medicine after taking the B1 test what is the next process?
After taking the B1 nurses, no, you need a sponsor. A year certificate nurses, no more Ghana. Okay. We need this sponsor.
If I thought, may repeat CBM. The air canning in an age employer or foul. And he say, who certificate and our exams swap pass here. The most important thing is just Google or go to track jobs, NHS track jobs, and I say Google, care homes, care homes, and in UK care jobs in UK. Indeed, I mean quite a lot of them are scattered there. Oko employer on the website here, check it so sponsor and just pick a phone and call them. Let's say you've developed interest in their jobs that are available. But also finding out some more sponsorship lances for foreign national. Say, or council will be an answer now put to application because not every care home I will UK no and no more sponsorship lances. And so we first call to the employer and say, do you have sponsorship lances? I'm a foreign and national that I want to come to UK and work. Or will be a catcher, or you don't waste your time, you move on to other place. So the mechanism for pen any people to home. Natural companies no be brave. You call website to know when your time at now. Now I from more check website. Marco. You will definitely get somebody at ABR or be interested in you.
Why? Okay, may that say. Me da say na me busa question bi na me re oh na obi ebusa bibi say please the requirement for queen birthday eno ya ka ho asem ye twam ye kɔ ye nkɔ ye nim why pacho ene ye nkan na die no
ena obi so busa say okuta MA in refugees and migrant now can I get sponsorship in UK
me pacho gina so ma me
ni nyina no say the me kai no pacho ye no you need sponsorship wo qualification bi a wo pe bi no wo pe ho adwuma wo dem pacho ko online ne looking for any company or sponsorship lances. So the company is the only person who bit me a confirm or sponsorship lances.
Hello, mid of me pacho yenko.
Me by me filling form now. Me net premier service no.
They say almost suspended. Me pacho for indefinite no more suspended premium service no. Omo apply for 2.5 years and I omo die no but for now no premium for the almost suspended.
Indefinite they are suspended premium.
Me pacho unhia wo indefinite no for ABI University to enter this year now.
Me here no for because as me team the man wo
No, okay. The government issued guidance, I think yesterday or Friday, for Omo Eco Uni Nankomunia indefinite before September. No? What the government is saying, say because so much.
So what there was so dear quite Juma, and just a watch about when you letter the Akoma or Jumen for no.
Yeah.
Ubenya letter, Eddie Akoma or Jumen for na catcher or say, what's some to application, Jumen for ne better lawyer say university or trim.
And see, the American air for a school for and Yamma Mufa a Juman, so more Abia September
or Mubeko school. No.
Also, Omuhia indefinite at your student finance.
Yeah.
So, government ne a case lawyer by and I think reported, I think yesterday or Friday, and they say, so what do time I will apply for indefinite? Now, here premium service say and how the premium service no, Ubinyan in term said the bayer ubit me apply and you will indefinite, no, just student loan. The student loan will allow you, company will allow you to have the loan. As long as I will be provided, say you were intending to put in premium service or priority service, and Calvinia will be sunny before time. Into school time, no will be an aid. Now, on Sanka, don't worry.
Don't worry.
Yeah, speak to the student.
That's it. Hello, me Pacho Young Comedofo.
Hello, Isabella. Good morning.
Good morning, sweetie.
Me Pacho, my question is that the certificate nursing in Ghana. And now, me what has to say. Now, my application, I am with the next 2 days, the certificate and
what certificate in our application now? Why you qualification? No, so much acknowledgement letter. Mumra letter so bit media copejuma.
Application be na we Asylum. Until one own can be into one also train no make it decision.
Lawyer so one can
until one own didn't cry and a mawia and
answer. Okay. It's me patcha one can why train why? I love you. Bye. Hello, mid of me patcha yonko.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sweetheart. Me pamocho number ne a year 2 or a year 3 mpo. Bra me patcha yonko.
Me patcha because I feel it.
Yo, sweetie yonko mid of pa.
Me patcha won't be so the following out. You have come na be near that's also Timarity Castle that woman. Or the near but near coffee castable train, or Marco Bob and Farm train. In a man farmer. And I have here to many here. I may have to more wow. I may quack Tramano. I'm a man in Canada. This is the choir.
Hello, midofo pa me pacho yen ko wa line so no. Menu abema na na okasa sesi an ye pon afre me why? Menu abema ye pon afre me why? Why? Me too kanya network ye me me you afri so ye pon afre me. Why? Hello, me pacho wa line so no yen ko.
Era ejuma na.
O se dey pacho man te midofo.
Me pacho me say. My UK as in Ghana, Mama Bell, no Banigo, British passport, Banyanga Diaminia, I send a midi too. But some people may be such care dog and let me apply because me a health assistance from government.
Patch of your office, na yemfa application into and sana ya bedroom as so. Why? To offer office on the border, or application at to my jamo.
About you, Matty.
Me da say lawyer and number and a did a screen is no. Hello, me da for me patcho yen lawyer to you. Yes, darling, sweetie, lawyer to you. Me patcho lawyer to you. What do you mean can lawyer to you? Me patcho busa. Patcho jealousy.
What time? To tell us very few ways and step by making me actual application.
Oh, I seen the book.
Book no be office ani be when? August, it took so when
free waiver and it take you 2 months and Sanoma make a decision. So I think any time from May, June, July. So June, July you can put in the fee waiver.
May, June, July. Wait to me the fee waiver not
yeah, I would say it be June latest with the 2 months.
June no bet me the 2. Okay. Me da say. Hello, good morning, me da for pa me patcho yenko.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, but maybe lawyer Frank, but maybe no question be about status. Yes, and the bar from 2012, but me no problem with home office. I'm on the chairman, but about mind or Portuguese in the EU. Yeah, Emma, the alcohol free, no, and I know the man me. I met the president in 2012, but settled status on the buy and me apply and I'm money. He settled status indefinitely to remain. But since I'm already mommy 2012 up to now, December, and Sana 5 years, but at the moment, the indefinitely to remain. But many problems, but at least. Me to work a crab, and means that many judges here a bit affected me, a friend says, me documenting, and I said, many judges because I'm on EU settled status indefinitely to remain. Free and the friend saying, we have problems on the crowd.
Okay. I mean, Abella, me jama for my
What lawyer the mark and the German honor. Bra me pacho any problem. See ama or settle status into a ban only ni jaya. Won't him unya any problems be our or ban home. Ain't no when ya on your me was so wunya every.
Okay.
Right. Hello, me pacho wa line is no me pacho yenko. Hello, me da for me pacho yenko.
Yes, hello.
Yes, darling, me pacho yenko.
Yes, me pacho me what problem kapra and me tell bisika say on your document.
Me pacho you we are friend me why? Friend number we are so. Hello, me pacho yenko. Yes, darling. Good afternoon. Last caller.
If I told
lawyer me pacho was in sister and crata or dia baba passport to the up to now or
Montreal woman. Or the passport in Baba Samutrone be a passport in Ira and as a passport in a will be to me renew.
Bet me up for
the names and Bessa make car as an amino even. If I chose some more free programming so na and some no a boy braka crowd. Minister ladies can pay, he's there for the community. Patch of friend a private, maybe I'm on a car. bibi wona se metimi aboa bi obema so ate so no nso nkwa betimi aboa because nepa bebre ni enti ensem bi we de to edwa ha no mebetimi aha adwumadi ayedi ewa ha se enam se me ye qualified solicitor nti no mabi ho no ma mintimi make comment ana ase mintimi nka ho asem ewo bi enti se me wa ha na no mabi a monim se ye no me pa cho katakwa na make no betimi afre ladies can pay on private that's a betimi aboa bi a betimi maso ate medamase
Miss me that say hello me da for me pa cha yenko me joso me pa cha wo ye joso pa cha yenko
we question about Copedano Adam ye voice bro but if the manya lawyer me so we dey tum pe kuna e bia no bi su question na our yi anoka
pa cha yenko
na me kan say obi aya ware na ankoyi na wa ya pia saa o mo ke workers work here ni abi obetimi associate dia ba we ya na akoye exams no aye bi wa no aye ke exams na
se wo kromi ha
wa associate ba bi shini dia na
nipa ni wo nipa cho nipa no wo kromi ha na wo Ghana wo kromi ha nipa no a opese o switch no o ha okay lawyer was one na yire wa ware na yire okwa ya farmer nto betimi associate be yeke media na
if I cho the minim so far no se wo wa ha na wonin krata ontimi apply for the care no sponsorship licenses no sponsorship licenses is issued to foreign national omu krom se Ghana omu pese omu bemu ana se wo the asylum atum ni enyam farmer o ni age work permit na ma no etimi akoye ke adwumane bi enti ye ne ye wo ha yin krata no yentimi enswitch to care sponsorship route.
All right. Me pacho say lawyer na say
so why appeal on say we worry EU national na say we appeal edem na yenya make a decision na umbema wo certificate of application. So the certificate of application entitles you to work until final decision from the court will be pronounced. And so certificate application from the date of application now we are in the Home Office refuse now all the court you can still apply to renew your certificate of application. And once you have that one, you can do any work, not even only care work. You can do any other work here, employer and employer. But for purpose of sponsorship lances for care workers, no. And only the who will come and now winning crata untimi just say apply for asylum and now will if Ghana and any other part of the world and our person Obaha.
Why? Ain't it made that sippy brain? I mean, shout. Hello, me pacho, what was happening, uncle? Good morning, sweetheart.
I'm question like I'm listening to a lawyer. You are some issue that can listen to a lawyer. I'm in Busan is a idea making the original so the Asylum Kratana.
Me pacho lawyer to me dofo.
Lawyer pacho me ba anu say no me timi am be DP na me be na any problem kakana ama me kokwasen ku GG na me timi bi ntinama ase me ni ba ko.
Oh. Wow.
Ama me ni ba ko. Ama me say ama me ni be ye me ya sana ade wa bi ba so me ko GP na omu timi bi ma me ma try omu timi tama me ni ba ko na say. Na semu haya na obi sekaya mikita na mere de mere ko ya ana doctor no ka shemi so na de na meni ya mi ana de bara member mo shena bendino no asent ni nya ke for nya se bit ma affect the other one include to be a mere de but obi sekaya mere ko ya se kana e dada we nje se ne izu.
Okay, me pacho enti wan kasa no de woni GP wa ho. Wa wuni GP wa wuni bi na wo kwa no mo se die enti no mo mie ma wo
passport.
What him? Yeah, we are. No. Now, can you also come emergency? Oh, yeah, we are. Me patch off frame. What say? Make me a wow. Lawyer, me patch on a question or say. Nenino, not just a doctor, so no, I'm an and yes, sir. Obey to me a ginaso, dear drew. And now they are pancreatic.
I drew you into me, dear.
I drew you to me.
But on application for Article 3, medical grounds. Oh, but and yet easy. No, I have to. It's and yet, I have to force you. Medical grounds application is very difficult to be granted. Very. There has to be exceptional circumstances. There has to be different components.
But I say, I think say, and only Democrat to secure no say one and
yeah, bet me the baby at Tumbani, and I said, I can open it. But it's not say, be crying, no, maybe baby can't boom, and I'm an eye compress into no Cassavi now over here.
I friend say, bra, me no Cassavi, a lawyer office number, ne book appointment, Nikuno. Why? But you may know ye who's me program prefer me boa. Now I don't know what they can a number nefre. Who needs kind of better credit? Oh, okay. Your power frame me power frame me. Why, me pacho? Hello, me last caller, Yanko. Me last caller, Major so sweetheart. Oh, Mamma fresh Simono. Yanko said, oh, say,
my application.
Oh, will be fresh, me pesa guy, you will know Casapa because you refuse. Aha, lawyer, or say, oh, ya until the year by minimum some of us will be south. Why application I call Ghana? And you refuse no based on bank statements because almost a bank statement, you know, Sika, ebe to boom. What I say until Mujina boom Sikano, and so no, or dear refuse no. And Obusa said, Queen birthday, you know. Obey me and Bill day because I saw a manager. And a manager almost can be a free baby every 2 boom to me and Chelsea free here. To imagine I saw refuse no. Into betting me, edging our him and birthday, you so. Aye. And I would now so now, when you be what they call embassy one. What near embassy one. When you more shade. Into only copy. Into one more bit to me a application and the aqua for him a birthday for visited a tourist visa.
In the first place, here if you saw visit application, anytime our application piano a trigger that information, and trust is an issue. Obviously, the refuse and I mean who whether I say banding and no man banding.
Also man banding.
And we need to know that.
Me patch also man banding.
So, man, what you will have to do is say, obey me, I subject to access, knowing your information out the
subject to access to home office.
To home office to request all those information on your application to study what information nipa crop go and yen or the share some as an make it attempt to cry. 2. So building a statement and asking a profile and I say genuinely or Juma or near the idea. Obviously we can develop a case and put in a fresh application. But you should bear in mind this application or a bit to me you can say it bit me almost imagine so I can say with the application saying about this one or won't trust to say the open for genuine reason. That is the fundamentals. But the first thing we need to do is on the record so if you can see now the also answer to second step we also take it.
Me patcho so what the lawyer can no ubetimi ayi me if you see na waje bibia wo hobia. All right, me da say etiefo me da wo bibia last wo bibia wo ne etena say efitia no pa ebepem osabre mascot solicitors ene no motena se no man kasa mo humble lawyer or ready mra fremra kanchemra on kasa bebreba wo ye loaded wabin omo motto with God all things are possible or ya suffer until once suffer for them boko by na so for no me wo see nyame adwuma na fa na nti o gigi enti no me pa cha obetimi afre lawyer Frank e mascot solicitors o t-shirt e na e hye me no obetimi afre wo mo na wo no mo edi eye ensa wo so bibi a kire wo su bia so application akoche wo fikisiem ana afa na wo de ba betum oba eye British obegina kra ne so tie media age eye 5 years instead of 10 years so de 5 years ana e bi kra na akra ne kra British no passport no for 5 years I want them indefinite leave to remain eye wo dia o pesa wo ye naturalization e bia me fa ne se wo kra Ghana passport o pesa wo be ye British citizen and no so na wo kra another Europe country bia so passport o pesa wo be ye British naturalization and no omo be ye e de amount o be nya 7 years o pesa akra no wo gina akra no so na wo de je nkrata akra na so ni bi me pa che obetimi aba be hu eye lawyer wills me pa che obi anya ne will yetimi eye will ebi ewumu ye ba me pa che ye will obetimi afre wo mo eye will and probate obetimi aye na omo de amount eye family de omo ye ade wo ho papa eno de me ka kire wo so omo ye ade ebi ewukunu ne wagya ya ware mo twemanso me pa che ofre lawyer enye manso ne epe ono no me ke kuro mi ha esikafo takumfu a wadi wo mo asem a wa survival me say lawyer we wo ne sa no oye brutal family oye the best oye the family cases oye the best oba na wo twema so say akora na o ma hu no tumrike be ma no yakọ lawyer e wo so ba kwantu mu nsem what you say wa pesika ya adwuma de ama be ma so wo fa nko Ghana na be ma na e ko kire so de wo hwe nkora na be ma e ko na wo disika ma be ma na be ma e ko ya adwuma oba bia na odi ni nua ba ko de na chi no de na be wuram wo de wo te ha wa twene busuafo atwene busuafo mo fie enkura ne nkrama nyina odoma be gu abrochire afedie musi dan wie ya sa be me ya ware o Ghana lawyer japade wan for dia ka ho bra ne be hu lawyer bra be hu lawyer ye be je japade ni nyina firi me ma ne nche wada se aha ti be hu lawyer sa ne ye no family court omoya ade family law omoya ade lawyer me pacho wo bibia be kana
me
FDA kase
for madam
me pacho person ne lawyer kasa o person ne lawyer kasa obisa question
I say for madam say mofa mogwatina say na mutie said the kai the koye the ankoye mofanche learning in progress mascot solicitors yabase yabeboa community no said the American some more frame me personal na munyami na more frame office here mon continue somebody will attend to you said the ladies can pay kind no say ibenya will be a obepeke calls directly from Ghana. I've put it on my list. Me call officer Midi Hujuma into our next program. No, I'm able to give you a dedicated line from Ghana only for Ghanaian calls, people from Ghana to call those numbers. Yeah, and you know the air can say Munina no Mubetai chi near Ejumapa. Saying that ladies air cano. I mean, family is one of my best areas. And of course, in your all immigration, we will handle our family matters. And I want my family law, the men normally handle family cases. And if you read about my profile, you see that I've done quite a lot of family work worth over millions of pounds, family work. Into when you crew and to hear about. Maybe I'm gonna try some movies stay in peace. Drew baby, the marriage has set a rock, it's broken irretrievably. My assets both here in Ghana, in other parts of the world. Come and see mascot solicitors the year by 2 years. It's a uba when you partner to our first point of resolution is to make sure that we try to settle cases early stages so that there will not be any kind of contentions between the parties. But of course, in the event that we are not able to settle amicably, we'll help you to go through the court process as well. So with mascot solicitors, not only immigration and asylum and Europeans matters we deal with, but also family matters, litigations, wills and probate. And as those of you who have already come to me, you know that when it comes to contentious probate, one of my best areas as well. So if you have any issue apart from criminal matter, civil matter, there are Obama mascot solicitors here. nyamia do mi betimi aboamo monfa mpa bonta ladies can page mediachi monfa nta mascot solicitor you know whatever we are doing we need a feedback from you or call office talk to us the koye the ankoye munyabotre and we'll make sure that we'll serve you to the best of our ability. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all, and enjoy the rest of your week.
Lawyer me pacho wada wroma minua be me bia krebi. O say good morning, Sister Abna. Enye ne ache na afi no wa remind me. O say good morning, I'm in class, but please, I need your help. I am a new student of plumbing and gas engineering, and I need someone to start doing work experience with on Saturdays. I want you to put this message across for me. If anyone can help me, I don't need money just to develop my experience. And you know, be a plumber and as obi a plumbing company business here me pachowa wadaroma and as a gas me srewa and then you gas there's so many tie for me.
No, it's a cooking coffee.
I don't know about gas. Okay, so come me just a gas or more pumping time or so. Any coming will be cry.
Oh, puppet tiny different.
Any different.
I think it's all cassava if you and so over gas and electricity, your plumbing work, you know, and on our or
I say, what do you are bringing? Say,
and so be a you can say a man was
Mr. to be where you may be some experience. Yeah, or your crew when you will hear work experience. Lawyer made us say, Nami Asia, Opeso can be Biana.
No, maybe.
Maybe. The lawyer because I see you. Sunday, spirit enough in pay. Na a father ya made that a lawyer me patron the number at the screen so for lawyer Frank now in any so very calm, very humble. Okonoa and your lawyer and a casano or Tianti and lawyer do con office and no butu. Debbie Abner's campaign made the lawyer be Obama heavy and dear very humble. Okwa when you tre any wokasa intimacy on the number na a friend of Jumedi Bia and Jumano I say crowd dear Kojifri lawyer on the Fabreno obey Bibia repairs at the amount. Meta will be Biarase, Yameya Adumoa, Yawada, one may ever sign a shia, ewa empire, Bocasiano, as so, a year emergency, our Yawade be a bomb paye, a dear paye, fra paye, cantia paye, a bussel radisa, a rade, brane, radewaba, me power chop, brane, bomb paye, and a chon cratano, a pie, one cratana, kosher home office, a check, 5 years in your sister, a day, bra, one babruchri, abraboy, basaminia bema, and yawa. Bra, Sheminia Beme be a rewosam, Ubia, one babruchiro, was in a knee, or free gun ever, none any and say ye, and so no abruchira bravunti, or babruchiri, ni bacon, says here yet I didn't come in, a drana dua, and I want no quite one, now or drink, ne monsieur and now adorino, me patro and rena edunubra never bompire wate, brania mompire pioneer fra pie cantia pie, minimo how be a douse, minimo money be a wukum, minima titi be a wukum, minim a dear be a atcher war, be a what dear ya reaping a douse, and rather be a minia bema utimia, Yamia domaya what a brania mompire, or be a na a te esiniso. Ensure keke yenimu ni pano or the ensure ne hohoro nanim ewrade adom ye nyanye no operation ye anye no operation entimedie minimu se rade wo besa wo yare braya wada beka woni empaye eya awo de ewrade de ache prophet Greg ewrade abasa eye kese wo emergency awaso ewiye bremu no se ewiye bremu me behwe me honhom ne me musra ene mitumi e de atoma ba wa ne mrante so na osoro ebe kasa me pawo chew eya wada enya prophetic service o empaibo kese na ye teach Bible undiluted Bible na ye wia ewrade akasa. There is no distance in the spirit empaibo ne upon wo platform wo ya so wo betena wo fie wo betena ba bia wote na ya bo empire minim o ha wamane yare bi ne da wo so bra na osoro ebekasa ewurade bekasa awo e na wo pe ewurade de wo de awo ache emergency awa baby ewurade de masa eyire kunu aware e na wo pe ewurade de ama wo dada awa ewurade ebie pono de mankofo obia emoja etu no obia emoja etu no na ye program no during program and a prophet ekaye prophet ishira nsuo so edimani pa no emoja no etwa obia wanye stroke sabi ontimi mpo anidi onfa ne nsanidi through emergency hour everyday asane yare obia sabi mi wie video no mfa nto so ma me ne nine our continent ne nine for the year ontimi shempabwa the whole year ontimi shempabwa sabi ne nine a esi from ne nanso ano hu a awreho what they are called doctors are chene na yama ni nro doctors are ye biara abra wo free ni kuromu ho ebe United Kingdom na was just a sanda as a yesu asuafo mpabo ni bi awobre eno na ne mpabo ne hye no na enche kura December and a prophet so no carry over. You cannot carry this sickness to the next year. Brand yenimno yenten en kaoni en kasada. Through emergency hour ensure keke ensure ena oshira so and was will be unfensioning and dear what day testimony no edaho. It's unfortunate to say last week Thursday being a breakdown ye program na. Enti I was say a resetting me system machine say what studio hanging a resetting. Enti am videos say go me platform ni so nyina no e delete and ka wo be who testimonies adansidie emergency hour obi a wo diabetes and no de be ameka because e me wawa obi a wo diabetes a wo panie wo panie no for 30 something years ye ma me panyu wo 62 years Ewurade adum through emergency our panie no wajai wo obi pevisa de tu kwan wa try and fama no oba emergency our so bebo mpaye Ewurade abie kwan wonya visa ene wo Austria obi wo Ghana wo ton cars ne ento oba program ne so emergency our bebo mpaye prophet se koneko sa anwea efra bonten fabra program ne so emergency our adane ye to ne kama akumaku 8 obi per council die Ewurade bie pono edemano enkrata de emergency hour e home office every day enkrata ba obi a wanya ne menopause ya wada mo beti testimonies menopause de me platform so emergency hour Ewurade bie kwan a young lady in America.
Good evening, Prophet Greg.
Now
God bless you so much, man of God. I want to share my testimony of what God has done for me. On Thursday, during the emergency hour, I was having a backache, lower backache. I've had this problem for a while now. I even go to a chiropractor for the same problem. But on Thursday, when we were having the communion, while you were praying, I asked God that I wanted healing for my back, which I was feeling at that time, my lower back. So after I took the communion, I don't know, but I felt different. And I was healed. I couldn't feel the pain again. Instantly, the pain disappeared. Hallelujah. I don't know. I just thank God so much. And thank you so much, Prophet. God bless you for giving yourself to the work of God, for, allowing God to use you so mightily. I haven't, been here for that long, but I've been hearing all the testimonies and all the wonderful things that God is doing. And I also have had my testimony, and I wanted to share for the whole world to know that God is good. He's a healer. He's a mighty God, and the presence of God is here. I thank God so much for this great miracle. God bless you. God bless your ministry. God bless your family. And I'm short. I'm short of words, but here's my testimony. To God be all the glory. Amen.
Hello. Hallelujah. Madansi die ne se. Ensu a yeshira so de mayen no. Ewrade adawroma. Me ne obi netie. Osori atem didie. Ene se ne obesi adwodwo me de meye bi enye ne fe. Nti me fe nsuo no e ma dadi nsuo no menya bi. Menya nsu pa me a me ko bu pipe. Me ni bottle 4. Me bu pipe na me yeshira so na me de ato egu me mpa ase. Eksisi me mpa ho. Nti me sora no pa na mafa bi di ahohoro manim. Dam di nsi bi ahohoro manim no. Nipa ne nti me nyama yaka de nyama tanta de. Okasa me ho kora na ani hwe baabi. Nti me hwe manim. Dam amfa anye no. Okasa eye de esese wo ye me kasa manim rough. Nti me nuanom me kanfo ama mo se de dade be kasa yenye bia yenye ne bebem. Me ba economic training. Ba ko so ko teacher. Omo wi school. Omo ko teacher training, nursing training. Me de to me twro dade kasa ye ntwro no me twro no edito tissue no so. Eye mpaebo ni bi. Ti me de me wo atwan mu atwan Ewrade. Se Ewrade be ye mado amanfo di adanse mi ti me bisa Ewrade na me de emmem. Enti no eye mpaebo na dade kan say. Ebo mi din say tomorrow by this time. Ndra na adwo. Me da ho na me ba ne frɛ me. No se mama ye de nyame asuo, ye de nyame ase. Me se aden, o se ya frɛ me. Ya frɛ me say dwoada. Me mra interview. Ti me ka hye nyame animonyam. Se obi a wo ye bia no. Ma wani mre na emergency no. Yenye. Ne nyame nam so. Eye nsenche ni bebre wa ya ama me. Aka teacher ni ne de. Na mnim se Ewrade guso a oye. American ni no so de no so no. Afi na onso lottery no nipa no dɔɔso. Eso me ba na nko a na nyaaye. Ti me dia to Ewrade em se Ewrade mmoawe. Na ombie kwa ama me. Na ye mfrɛ no na ne so mbram. Enti adofo se wo de ma ya e ma ne haw. Nyame ti ase. Emergency nyame o ti ase. Me nsɛm no dɔɔso. Enam se ebrenti no keka ne bebra enye. Enti me sere mo me mfa ho nto Ewrade so. Na ono ene obeye oba anye prophet ena abehwe no de ebeka se yenye bia no mo wani mmiri na ye bi ne sugu Ewrade so na mani na enso me nyame ama masere ne me de Ewrade ase.
Daddy, my dance die enyumunie. Me say that day I'm breaking news no. Me bonyum way throughout the day. Me say onyame otiase that many aje. Next week you be dia dance anymore. Onyame ayebi. Nyame ayebi wa ya nwanwade ewo mabra bom. Wa ya nwanwade kese. Esanse na ni da so asa. Na me ni da so because no ma bebre na ma fighting about this issue. But just a few months onyame efa wo so aye bibia me de Ewrade ase. Onyame ayebi daddy nyame ayebi. Nyame tias emergency awa nyame otiase. Emergency awa nyame otiase daddy.